In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automated invoice reminders in QuickBooks Online using 3 easy options. This guide will walk you through each step so that by the end, you'll have a much more streamlined billing process, ultimately making it easier to manage your invoices. Let's dive in. First, your starting point is to open QuickBooks Online. Once you're in, you'll notice your dashboard front and center. This is where you'll access most of your data. Now, look towards the upper right corner of the page, where you'll see an icon resembling a gear. This is your Settings button. Go ahead and click on it. It's here where all the customization magic happens, allowing you to tailor your QuickBooks experience to your business needs. Now, you'll be presented with a variety of options, but today we're focusing on Account and Settings. Clicking this option will take you into another area where you can adjust a whole host of preferences. Within this section, you'll want to click on Advanced on the left-hand side of the screen. This section usually contains more complex settings, but today our goal is simple and straightforward. Next, switch your attention to the Sales tab, which you'll find in the menu. Clicking on Sales will bring up settings specifically tailored to your invoice processes. Here, look for the setting called Default Email Message for Invoice Reminders. You'll see if the automatic invoice reminders are turned off or on. If it shows that the reminders are off, don't worry. This step is all about turning them on and setting them up to work best for you. Within this section, there's a feature labeled Highlight. When you click on Highlight, you'll see options for customizing your template while upside. This feature is fantastic for personalizing your communication and maintaining a professional image. Choose the options that reflect your business voice. Perhaps adding a personal touch will encourage faster payments from your clients. Once you have customized everything to your liking, it's crucial to save your changes. This takes us to our final step. Look towards the bottom of this window, and you'll see the Done button. It might seem simple, but clicking Done ensures all your hard work setting up these reminders doesn't go to waste. Automated invoice reminders are an excellent way to keep your cash flow steady by encouraging timely payments from your clients without further involvement from you. It's all about creating efficiencies in your business and letting you focus on what you do best. Whether you decide to use these reminders as they are, or add a personal touch to them, the choice is yours. Thank you for joining us today and enjoy your newly streamlined invoicing process.